Hello, I hope you are well. I'd like to welcome my new subscribers and thanks them for subscribing. Don't hesitate, it's free and it will really help my little channel. Today I'm going to continue my test to make some kind of opal fake stones with a bit of iridescence. I'm going to use different powders, nail polishes that dry under the UV lamp. I've got this and this and this. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try different things because I want to try. As it's quite warm, I'm not getting into a big project. So I'm doing little things. Well, I'm going to pour my UV resin after putting my gloves and mask. I'll start by pouring resin into certain cavities. I choose, oops, I've still got a few things lying around. Okay, I'll start with the little hearts. See you in a second. Then I'll check on the bubbles and I put all this under the UV lamp. I've done it front and back, so a priori it's hardened. It's not flexible. Yes, okay. Good. So, what are we going to use first? I'll take this varnish. I used it in one of my videos. It gives a very pretty rainbow shimmers. Yes, it's very nice. So I'll put it all around on the edges very carefully. And then I'll put it under the UV lamp to cure, of course. Okay, it's not sticky anymore. That's good. I put a small layer of resin over it. I have left enough depth. I don't feel completely my cavities. The bubbles around the edges. And now the other cabochons. This package hasn't been opened yet. I'll show you the color in a second. With the gloves it's not easy. It's a brilliant green and it looks very dark. Well, we'll see. I apply on my resin, but I'm a bit confused because it doesn't really stick to the resin. I hope it doesn't float all over the place. I add another powder which seems to have golden highlights. And then I'll complete the other with my different powders. In order to not bore you, I don't register all. Now I'm using a varnish and I will add another on top to see. And now under the lamp to cure all these cabochons. Here I have applied a coat of varnish and a coat of resin which I've dried. Here I've stuck the base of my lamp into the resin. That's done. Now I'll prepare some black resin and pour it over my cabochons. I spare you this step. Okay, as always, I've got some weird stuff. So, is it from the varnish? I don't know. I don't know. You can see here, here, here and here, I've got some kind of blob. And here it's not dried. I'll put it back on for 30 seconds. Okay, I think it's dry. Come on, let's unmold. It overflowed a little. My scissors, my little scissors, where are they? Where are my scissors? Okay, it's not bad, but it just misses a bit of sparkle, I think. And then I got a nice bubble right in the middle. But apart from that, it's not bad. Then the weird little heart. I only do weird stuff. That was with the dark green powder. It gives it a nice sheen. Yes, it's lovely. But, I've got this kind of big thing that came out of the back, and I don't know why. Did I leave too much under my lamp? Yes, the highlights are really, really nice, but the back is super ugly. And the other little heart, it's nice too. I'll show you right now. I'll cut it while it's still a bit soft. Well, not soft, but fresh. Now the back, a big wart. On the other hand, the front looks nice. I put on a glitter varnish and then added another varnish on top, a blue varnish, I think. Nice highlights. Yes, I like it. Oh, yes. Yes, it pleased me. Now, this little bowl where I put my lamp. No, it was this one. But it's okay, you can see it. This one is cute. Well, I have to remember what I put. I'll see in my rushes of video. But it's pretty. I'll do a little close-up for you in a minute. This one, yes. Okay, this one, too full. Oh, it's not dry. Look at that. My heart bleeds. Help, help. It's not dry, but it's pretty. I like this opal effect. Oh, well, I'm going to have to control the black here because it's not dry at all. I cut, paf, it's bleeding everywhere. Oh my gosh, but it looks great. I'm going to put it under the lamp a bit more. I check that I haven't got any on my fingers. The tiny little bowl with the blue varnish. Well, I did that with some leftover resin. It's not great. And this one with different colors. Very small, yes. I know, but I did it in a tiny cavity. But it's pretty. It's got really nice mauve and blue-green highlights. Yes. Oh, that's great. I like it. Let me show a close-up. Focus. Thanks. Here, powder. These are varnishes, sorry. Powder, and powders. They are really nice highlights. Yes, very nice. I like them. I think they're the best I've done so far. With the varnish, it's nice too. Well, I've got the wart on the back, but the colors are nice. And here too. Yes, I like it. It's like a galaxy. This one, yes, focus, focus. With the green and gold. The green didn't spread too much. I'm happy with that, but I've got the wart on my back. That the little thing I did to finish my resin. Well, that was a varnish too. And this one is super pretty, but super uncured. I like the highlights here. I've got the little wart on the back, but above all, it's not cured at all. I think all this is cute. It could make a lovely pendant if you rectify a few things. I'm wondering if it's not I used a black paste for my resin that I've got these blobs on the back. Well, I hope you have had some fun with me, with the colors, and that it will give you some ideas. Maybe you'll also give me some advice on why it's swelling on the back. Take good care of yourself. See you soon for new adventures. Bye.